Craig Erlam, market analyst from Oanda, senior market analyst from Oanda. Craig, good to see you. Thanks so much for being here.
Good morning.
What do you expect in terms of the Brexit situation and its impact on markets and the UK economy?
Well, we've already seen a very positive impact on the markets, really building up over the last week, ever since Boris's meeting with Leo Varadkar in the northwest of England a week ago. The idea that we were on a pathway towards a possible deal got people excited, and that really carried through into the end of this week when the deal was actually announced. The next hurdle, of course, is Parliament on Saturday. Are they going to approve the deal? My gut says no. I feel like the extension is probably still the most likely scenario at this point, an election, and then I think the deal gets through later on this year.
So do you think markets trade down on Monday if they get a no vote tomorrow? I mean, will there be a real market reaction?
I think they maybe will come off a little bit. We already saw it come off a little bit yesterday when the DUP confirmed that they wouldn't back the deal. So that made the arithmetic really difficult in Parliament, and we saw the pound pull off a little bit, and that maybe a little bit of profit taking following a week of very substantial gains. So we may see it pull off a little bit, but I don't think it necessarily alters the longer term goal, which is to get this Brexit deal over the line. And of course, we've got to remember as well that an election doesn't just potentially give Boris the numbers in Parliament for a deal. If Boris, with the Conservatives and the Brexit Party as well, don't get a majority between them, then all of a sudden you've got a situation whereby the opposition parties could have a majority between them. Maybe we see another coalition government, and all of a sudden Remain becomes a possibility because the second referendum impact as well. So that could, in the longer term, provide a lift to the currency. But like I say, we're talking longer term, and in the near term, you do get a lot of volatility and a lot of knee-jerk action, and that's exactly what we've seen really over the last 48 hours.
Craig, James Freeman here at the Wall Street Journal. Obviously, a lot of possibilities. You just went through some of them. But your sort of base case, it sounds like you're expecting a Brexit deal, not this weekend, but later in the year. And I'm wondering what changes in that deal as far as businesses are concerned to get it over the finish line to what you see as a majority bill or Brexit.
So, like I say, it's the parliamentary arithmetic which really works against Boris at the moment. Not only did he not have a majority when he came into the job after that 2017 election, they were already reliant on the DUP votes, which they've lost as part of this deal. But there was about 24, I think, Conservative MPs that were effectively kicked out of the party for voting against the government on the extension bill in the first place. So the arithmetic is terrible for Boris Johnson ultimately. So if we can improve those numbers in the election, then suddenly the ability to get the deal through Parliament, it becomes a lot more realistic. From a business perspective, I think businesses at this point are really just relieved that there is a deal on the table, and a deal that they think could get the numbers in an ideal scenario, one that doesn't contain the backstop for the entire of the UK, one that provides certainty, one that includes a transition deal for the next 2 years rather than this cliff edge no deal Brexit. So I think businesses are going to be very, very relieved right now. Of course, like I say, there is still this tiny possibility of a no-deal Brexit, but that's so much reduced from where it was even a week ago, and therefore businesses are going to be breathing a big sigh of relief right now.
Craig, any other things driving markets this morning? We're right here at the start of third quarter earnings. We got the potential of a China deal. Are those things driving markets as well, or what kind of sentiment are you seeing out there from investors?
Yeah, it's hard to see outside of Brexit when you're sat here in London. But there are bigger things happening in the world. The trade deal, of course, is a massive thing. US corporate earnings season is a huge thing. So yeah, there are many other things that are driving things right now. The China GDP figure this morning as well. But Brexit here is such a key topic.
Craig, it's good to see you this morning. Thanks so much.